The supplies you need for this tablescape include glassware, dinnerware, candles, and sunflowers from Dollar Tree. The honeycomb runner was from Dollar Tree, but it was made by Z9 Designs Me. In addition, the coasters were made by me, and the candle holders were upscaled by me. The napkin rings are from Temu, the silverware from Amazon, the napkins from Pier 1, and the chargers from Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. The place setting starts with a black and white charger with a black plate in the center. Gold silverware graces the sides of the dinnerware to give it the end of the summer sparkle. Of course, a vibrant yellow napkin is in the center of the black plate with a bee napkin ring to top off the dinnerware. Black candlesticks are sturdy by a hack placed on either side of the honeycomb runner. Clear glassware is on top of each bee coaster that I made on my YouTube channel. In fact, you can see most of the things that were made here on my YouTube channel, Z9 Designs. Sunflowers are scattered on the runner to continue with the vibrancy of the yellow color. So sit back and enjoy the end of the summer place setting. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment, and help me reach my goal of 1,500. And when I get there, a prize will be awarded to someone who is a subscriber and comments on that video. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, friends fill our lives with love and laughter. See you later. Bye-bye.